Today we are making Puli Pongal. This is a traditional recipe. Let's see how we can make this with little millet. Tablespoon of oil, 2 tablespoons of peanuts. Just roast them. I have used sesame oil. You can use any other oil also. Then add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of urad dal, 1 teaspoon of chana dal, some asafoetida, 6 to 7 red chillies, some curry leaves, add 3.5 cups of water. Cup of washed and soaked little millet samai. I soaked it for an hour. Soak and then drain the water. Then 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of Jaggery powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Finally, 2.5 tablespoon of tamarind paste. So mix everything well and cook on medium heat for 4 to 5 whistles. Then switch off, let pressure settle down and then open. After 4 whistles, now the pressure is settled. I am opening. Hot, yummy Puli Pongal is ready. It's a very traditional recipe. You can serve this with any fryams, papad, roasted papad or vadams, anything you can. So I am adding just 1 tablespoon of sesame oil now. This is a pongal.